Hello everyone, Professor Halsey here. We're on section 3.7 for our Zybooks assignments, and this is CEIS150. We're looking at a vending machine application, and don't forget to check out the video here before you get started on the project. Okay. Given three integers as user inputs that represent the number of bottles of drinks to purchase, to restock, and to purchase afterward. Create a vending machine object that performs the following operations. So we'll want to purchase the first input number of bottles of drinks. So here we would purchase 5. Restock the second input number of bottle of drinks. So we put 2 back. Purchase the last input number of bottle of drinks, which is 7, and then report the inventory. Okay. The initial inventory is 20 bottles of drinks, so we will need to know that to keep track of our inventory. Okay, so I'm going to come down here, and here's where it says create vending machine object. So I'm going to click in here, and the class is named vending machine, and this particular vending machine is for drinks. So I'm going to call this one drink underscore machine, and that's going to be based on the vending machine object. Alright, so here we have our vending machine, and we'll use the parentheses to make that an object. Okay, so we have a new object, drink machine, based on our vending machine. Alright, now the next thing we need to add is purchase the first input number of bottle of drinks. Alright, so we're going to purchase this number of drinks. Alright, so actually we're going to call this drinks to buy. I could say drinks to purchase. Okay, drinks to purchase. And we're going to make that a whole number that comes from the input. Okay. Okay, so I picked up that input. The next input I need to pick up is the one for restock. So restock the second input number of bottles of drinks. So in this case, we'd be restocking 2 bottles. All right. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Restock. All right. So here's our input for this section, and I want bottles to restock, and that one's gonna be an integer as well and come from the input. Okay, and then purchase the last number of bottles of drinks. All right, so we're going to read that in, and that's going to be our, we have drinks to purchase, so we're going to make that one 1. Then I'm going to copy that. Actually, I don't have to. I can come down here and do drinks to purchase 1 and change that to 2. And that's going to be an integer as well, coming from the input console. Okay, so now I need to take drink machine dot purchase, and I want to pass it drinks to purchase 1. Alright, next I want to call my, if you don't know how it's labeled, look up top, purchase, restock, and get inventory and report. Okay, so we have drink machine dot restock, and I'm going to pass that bottles to restock. Okay, then I'll call drink machine dot purchase, and I want to purchase drinks to purchase 2. Alright, now I could have done this code up here in this section as well, but this way I was setting up my variables, and down here are where I'm sending off that information with what we're sending it. And you can look up here to see what was sent, and that's what was read from the input. Okay. Now the report is just drink machine dot report. And now we should be ready to run it. And I want to put in 5, 2, and 7. And we get out 10 bottles. So perfect. That's what we should get. And I can do my submit for grading. And there we go. All tests are passed. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please let me know.